We are 5 seconds. Holy cow.
What?
Oh my god! It's like
dark.
nighttime outside. This is crazy. There's literally a sunset behind us. Oh my god.
Sunset over there.
Holy moly, you guys. This is... Oh my gosh. It is pitch black outside. It is pitch black outside. It is so crazy.
Wow.
So this is just like a different experience, I guess, you can all experience with us. The clouds that are up are kind of picking up just a slight tint of pink or so.
Because they turned on the lights.
Oh my god, all the street lights just came on in Rochester.
Wow. Oh my god. Look at the clouds.